It's Molly. Obviously, it's day 2 of my 12 days of Christmas, or 12 days of Vlogmas. Whoops. So, I just got back from class. I actually chatted with some friends for a little bit before I got back. And I have myself a gourmet bagel. I actually shopped at the Dollar Tree for like all of my groceries to get through the next week because I only have $20 left in my Baseline account, which Baseline at, I'm just going to tell you guys where I go to school. So I go to the University of Wisconsin Stout. The UW system has a lot of schools. I'm not from Wisconsin, I'm from Minnesota, like I've said before, from the Twin Cities area. Like, it's really weird going from like a community college to a university, like I said in my last vlog. But and there's this thing called Baseline, which like you can get it if you're a commuter, if you're like living on campus, if you're not living on campus, whatever you're doing, you can have it. And there's like Flex and like there's a lot of different accounts, and I have Baseline. It's all through your student ID, so you carry that thing everywhere. It gets you into the buildings, it gets you to have snacks, pay for your food, all the stuff. Now I'm like, where is mine? Oh shoot. There it is. Yeah, you don't want to lose it. I almost lost it once. I'm sure it happened. You can get a replacement, and it has like your photo on it, your student ID, all the things. I only have $20 left in that account, and I'm trying to make it last until like finals week, which is next week, and I'm gonna be here for 2 days. But I get dinner with one of my really good friends here on campus, and she's one of my sisters. So yeah, again, shout out to one. I don't know if I've ever like talked about her in any of my videos, but yeah, she's one of my really good friends, and we get lunch all the time together, and well, mainly dinner. So today I'm definitely a lot more high energy than I was yesterday, even though I haven't eaten anything. But today is an exciting day. Today, starting at 5 actually, I am going to a senior send-off for 2 of our seniors, Laura and Caitlin, and then that are graduating this winter. And then we have Cancun after. There's this place, a Mexican restaurant called Cancun here in Menominee. Recommend eating there if you are from this area. But yeah, it's definitely different. I feel like I like have this whole weight lifted off my shoulders by telling you guys where I go to school. I feel like it might be able to help some people too that maybe want to go to this school, and I can like kind of show you guys around. That's kind of what's going on. I say that all the time, but I need to take out my trash. I have a lot of trash like building up. I need to pack for next week because I'm going, oh my gosh, I need to make sure that I get everything situated before I go back home for like an entire month. And that's kind of just the gist of everything that I have planned for today. But I need to go eat before I get like super hangry, and I'll come back. So I am the social media or public relations chair for my sorority. I haven't been able to like keep up with Instagram as much as I have wanted to, so I made this little sign just to put on our story. I'm trying to keep our actual like posts clean. So I was like one of the goals for the other girl, and I'm friends with the girl that was in charge of public relations before I got it, and I just thought this was really cute. I use Canva for like everything. Sometimes I use it for my Poshmark closet, other times I used it for our story, and I introduced all of the exec board for the sorority. And then I make all of my thumbnails, and then even like signs for my closet. This is for my mom's closet. And then like my channel art, and like this was for a job interview, and this is for my Facebook page for my YouTube channel. So yeah, there's lots of stuff, and it's really fun to, they have a lot of different, if you click create a design, they have a ton of different options. But yeah, it's really fun to work on here, and I made that one. It's really simple, but I thought it was super fun and cute, and I just pulled the one picture from the internet that's behind it because I tried to find like a winter themed one from our Facebook page, but I couldn't find anything. So that gives me an idea for us to do like a wintertime shoot or something. We've been talking about making a video for our chapter and just like kind of like for COB and stuff like that this next semester. We really want to like step up our game and just get more people involved because we are such a smaller campus. Like, we just need more people to join Delta Zeta, so that's what I've been doing. I do want to try and find a cute picture to post for finals week. I'll probably keep updating like the story just so like that's active. That is what I'm doing, so I'll check in with you guys in a little bit. So senior send-off just finished and we just got back from the Mexican restaurant. It was so yummy and it was very great and a good break from doing homework and studying for finals. But I am going to wrap up this really boring vlog here. I think tomorrow will be a little bit better. Just have a few more ideas than I have since I jumped into this so last minute. So if you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe down below. I'd really appreciate it. Like this video and comment down below your favorite Christmas cookie because I want to know. And yeah, tomorrow will be a little bit better, a little bit different, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye.